Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sandy if you are new, and I wanted to pop on here and just show you what I have been working on this past few days. I've been making some different journals, so I'll kind of walk through and show them to you. I will start with this little one first. So isn't that the cutest little thing? So this is just some fabric that I had, and I put this little elastic lace to kind of keep it closed, but it's a little 2 signature, and it is 4.5 by 5.5, and then the spine is 1 inch. And this was an old, I got some of my ink for my little selfie camera, and so I cut that down. And I was watching Natasha on Treasure Books, and she inspired me to make some of these journals like this. And so I just glued the fabric onto this, and then I inked this up with saltwater taffy, and that looked great. And then I took it over to the sewing machine and I sewed around the edges, and then I sewed down the outside of each part of the spine. And then I thought with this pink, I pulled in a whole bunch of my avocado dyed, and I made some little pockets on some of these. So it's 2 signatures with just a bunch of my avocado dyed paper. And I think it's just a cute little thing. So I'm actually going to be doing my first craft fair with junk journals. So I'm really nervous, but that's what I'm making these for. So let me know what you all think I should charge for this. I was thinking like 15. So let me know what you all think. So the next 2 I'm going to show you. These were, I'm trying to think what, these were again were some boxes. Trying to remember what food was in them. I can't remember. But I had this really pretty Christmas fabric, so I thought these would be adorable. So I sewed this one with a green thread. You can probably see it a little bit better on the inside. And then this one with kind of a cream colored thread. And the inside of the box, this natural color, so I didn't do anything to that, but I think that's really pretty. And then I pulled out some of my Christmas papers, and then just some book pages and tea-dyed papers. And I did 4 signatures. And on this one I did black, and this one I did a maroon color. And then I sewed these in, and I love this paper pad. This paper pad, I got it last year. And I don't know if it's still available, but it's from Craft Consortium, and it's called Festive Flora. But these papers they're double-sided, and they're just gorgeous. I mean, I love these poinsettias. So pretty. So pretty. So that's what I did in both of these. And I did some little side tucks, and then I also did the pockets this way too. You can see here, like that. So those are those 2. And for these, I was thinking 15 or 20, but let me know what you all think. And then this one, I love this book fabric. And for this one, it's just 1 signature, but I pulled in some vintage pages, and then just a bunch of tea-dyed paper and ledger paper, and filled this up. And then again, just sewed around the edges, and 1 single signature. And again, I was thinking maybe like 10 to 15 for this one as well. Let me know what y'all think. And then this one is a fabric sample, and I love how it turned out. And on the inside, I did this muslin. And then for this one, I just did some elastic. So once you fill this up, you can put new papers in there. And so I have these lined papers that I've added in here. And so you can see on the outside. But it's just, I love this. It's so cute. And I was thinking maybe 10 to 15 for this one as well. So let me know what you all think. So that's kind of what I've been up to this week. Really trying to get some stuff done for the craft fair. My filming, I might not be able to do a whole lot of filming over the next couple weeks, but I'll try to pop on now and again and keep you all updated on what I'm doing. All right, guys, thank you all so much for watching. And again, I really just want to say thank you to everybody who watches my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, I really would ask you to subscribe. It really helps my channel reach more people. So, and remember to hit that like button and let me know. Give me your thoughts on prices for these items at the craft fair. All right, talk to y'all soon. See you on the next video. Bye. Love you.